Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website fit all screens. This is essential if you want your site to look professional and polished across desktops, tablets, and mobile devices. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From here, go ahead and click on Website. This will take you to the main settings for your site where you can manage all the customization options. Now you'll be able to see the website settings displayed on your screen. Take a moment to make sure this is the correct website you want to customize, especially if you're managing multiple sites under one account. It's always good to double check before making any changes. On this page, locate the Edit Site button. You'll typically find it at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Click on it to open the full editor. This is where the magic happens and where you'll have complete control over how your site displays across different devices. You'll now be directed to the Wix Studio website editor screen. This is the main workspace where you can tweak and adjust every element of your site. To start customizing how your site adapts to different screen sizes, you need to access the right customization panel. Look for the less than icon on the right side of your screen and click it. This will open up the panel where all the responsive settings are housed. From the right customization panel, locate the responsive behavior dropdown. This is a crucial setting because it determines how your website will scale and adjust when viewed on different devices. Click on the dropdown to see the available options. You'll notice choices like scale it proportionally or fix to screen. These options control whether your site resizes itself automatically or stays locked to a specific layout. Choose the option that best fits your design needs. Here's the most important part. Make sure to toggle the Apply Max Width option. This setting ensures that your website will adjust and fit all screens properly, whether someone is viewing it on a large desktop monitor or a small smartphone. Without this option enabled, your site might not display correctly on smaller screens, which can hurt user experience. And that's it. Your Wix website is now set to fit all screen sizes, giving your visitors a seamless experience no matter what device they're using. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.